Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Windows features to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change your PIN in Windows 2025. If you're using the newest Windows update, keeping your PIN fresh is a smart way to boost your account security and protect your personal data. It's a quick process that only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Windows account with administrative privileges. This is crucial because changing security settings requires that level of access. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and select the settings icon. It looks like a gear. If you're on a touchscreen device, you can swipe in from the right and tap Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Accounts section. This is usually one of the first options you'll see. Once you're there, click on Sign In Options on the left sidebar. Step 3. Under Sign In Options, you'll find a section for your PIN. Look for the Change button next to it. Go ahead and click that. It might prompt you to verify your current PIN for security reasons. Step 4. Enter your current PIN when asked, then type in your new PIN twice to confirm. Windows 2025 might even suggest making it stronger, like adding numbers or symbols, so take that advice if you want extra protection. Step 5. Hit OK or Save, and you're all set. Your new PIN will be active immediately. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your admin rights or restart your computer and try again. There you have it. That's how simple it is to change your PIN in Windows 2025. This small update can go a long way in safeguarding your info, especially with all the cyber threats out there. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.